Hello dear students, welcome to online study. So in previous video we have read the first chapter, the lost child, which has been taken from the Moment book. So now today we will continue with this chapter and we will try to understand the gist of this chapter. Okay, so let's see. Hmm. He ran towards his parents gaily and walked abreast of them for a while, being, however, soon left behind, attracted by the little insects and worms along the footpath that were teeming out from their hiding places to enjoy the sunshine. So here abreast. Abreast means side by side and facing the same way. And here teeming out means to pour or empty out. So the child ran towards his parents. He walked next to them, but after few steps he stopped to see the insects who were coming out of the soil. Once again the child was left behind. Come, child, come. His parents called from the shade of grove where they had seated themselves on the edge of a wall. Sorry, well. He ran towards them. Here, grove means a small wood or group of trees. The parents called him. The next, they sat next to a well under the shady trees. The child once again ran and joined his parents. A shower, a shower of young flowers fell upon the child as he entered the grove, and forgetting his parents, he began to gather the raining petals in his hands. But lo, he heard the cooing of doves and ran towards his parents, shouting, "The dove! The dove!" The raining petals dropped from his forgotten hands. So, here, as the child entered the shady forested area, he was welcomed by a shower of flowers. He forgot his parents and started collecting the petals that had fallen. Just then, he heard the cooing of doves and was excited to see them. He started chasing the birds, and in the process, the petals fell from his hand. Means this shows that as the child got attracted towards the next thing, he forgot what he had been doing earlier. Come, child, come. They called to the child, who had now gone running in wild capers round the banyan tree, and gathering him up, they took the narrow, winding path which led to the fair through the mustard fields. See here, capers. Capers means a playful, escaping movement. The parents called the child who was running and playing around a banyan tree. They lifted him and walked down a narrow, twisting lane through which they crossed the mustard fields and reached the fair. As they neared the village, the child could see many other footpaths full of throngs. conversing to the whirlpool of the fair, and felt at once repelled and fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering. So here, throngs. Throngs means huge crowds. Conversing. Conversing means gathering. Conversing is gathering. So, as they were about to reach the fair, the child saw huge crowds of people walking from all directions towards the fair. The dense crowd scared him, and he stepped back for a while, but the next moment he got attracted to the mind boggling crowd of humanity. A sweet meat seller hawked gulab jamun, rasgulla, Burfi, jalebi at the corner of the entrance, and a crowd pressed round his counter at the foot of an architecture of many colored sweets, decorated with leaves and silver and gold. The child stared open eyed and his mouth watered for the burfi that was his favorite sweet. I want that burfi, he slowly murmured. But he half knew as he begged that his plea would not be heeded because his parents would say he was greedy. So, without waiting for an answer, he moved on. So, let's see. A sweet seller hawked gulab jamun, rasagulla, burfi, jalebi at the corner of the entrance, and the crowd pressed round his counter at the foot of an architecture of many colored sweets decorated with leaves of silver and gold. So here he knew very well about that, about his parents. So here he did means paid attention. Okay. So at the entrance of the fair, to one corner, a sweet meat seller had set up a shop. He was selling various sweets like gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, and jalebi. The sweets were displayed at different heights and were covered with foils of golds and silver. The boy's mouth watered when he sighted his favorite barfi. He expressed his desire to get one in a low voice because he knew that his request would be refuted by his parents. They would say that he was greedy for the burfi. As he did not expect that his demand would be fulfilled, he walked further. See, now a flower seller hawked a garland of Gulmohar, a garland of Gulmohar. The child seemed irresistibly drawn. He went towards the basket where the flowers lay heaped and half murmured, I want that garland. But he well knew his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers because they would say that they were cheap. So, without waiting for an answer, he moved on. So, once again, the next stall was that of a flower seller. He announced that he was selling garlands of Gulmohar, garlands of Gulmohar flowers. The child wanted one of those. He walked towards the basket of flowers, and again announced his desire to have one in a low voice because he knew that his demand would not be fulfilled. They would refuse to buy him the flowers as they would say that they were cheap. Again, the boy walked ahead without expecting a reply from his parents. A man stood holding a pole with yellow, red, green, and purple balloons flying from it. The child was simply carried away by the rainbow glory of their silken colors, and he was filled with an overwhelming desire to possess them all. But he will knew, but he will knew his parents would never buy him the balloons because they would say he was too old to play with such toys. So he walked on further. Overwhelming means a very strong emotion. The next thing that the child came across was a balloon seller. The next thing the child came across was a balloon seller selling balloons of different colors of the rainbow. The boy was attracted to the shiny colors of the balloons and wanted to have them all. He knew that his parents would not buy the balloons for him, as they would reason that he was too old to play with them. So the child walked further. So thank you so much, dear students. In next video, I will explain more.